People use the internet to shop, to pay bills, to communicate. And they'd like to interact with their council online too. Councils want the same. After all, digital self-service channels can improve service quality, reduce costs, and free up resources. Here's where Responsiv can help. For example, a council's waste collection process accounted for over 50% of queries to their contact centre. Now, using Responsiv's expertise, the majority of waste requests by residents are handled quickly, easily and conveniently online. Transform your services through automation with Responsiv. Contact Responsiv on information@responsiv.co.uk or call us on 01344 266 980.